Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This printer is Epson EcoTank ET-8550 all-in-one wireless A3 Plus photo printer. It's multifunctional printer, multitask. You can print, copy, and scan with this printer. Inkjet technology, 4.3 inches touch screen. Scanner resolution 1200 by 4800 dpi. This is color flatbed scanner. The paper you can use A3 Plus, A3, A4, A5, A6, B4, B5, B6 envelope. 10 by 15 centimeter, 10 by 14 by 8 centimeter, 13 by 18 centimeter, legal, letter, executive, etc. Scanning elements, CIC. Page per minute. You can print black and white up to 16 print per minute for ISO and up to 32 print per minute. Print resolution 5760 by 1440 dpi. This printer is using EcoTank system, and you can connect this printer using Epson Smart Panel. You can print up to 2,300 photos from this printer. High creativity A3 Plus 6 color EcoTank photo printer. Printing page per minute for color, up to 12 prints per minute for ISO, and up to 32 prints per minute. Wireless connectivity. You can connect this printer via Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi Direct, Apple AirPrint, Mopria print service. And also you can connect this printer using USB and also print from USB drive. Full Wi-Fi Direct Ethernet connectivity. You can easily integrate this printer with your existing home setup. You can also print from CD cards, USB flash drive through 10.9 centimeter color touchscreen. It has photo size and A4 size front paper trays. Plus, you print directly from suitable CD, DVD. The A3 Plus rear tray also accepts quality media such as craft papers and cars, while A3 Plus straight paper feed means you can print on media up to 1.3 millimeter thick and 2 meter long. With Epson Smart Panel, it allows you to control your printer from your smart device, print photo, copy documents, set up, and do troubleshoot with this printer. So this printer uses ink bottle 552 in the US and it uses 114 in the UK. What I want to do now is unbox this printer, check it out, and see what is inside. This is the information pack and disk that contain the software. The accessories. Ink bottle, 6 of those, and the power cable. There we go. Nice packaging. See, it's not heavy. So the power cable goes to this port, USB, and the Ethernet line goes to this port, so USB and Ethernet, but it's covered with plastic. This is the rear paper tray. The rear paper tray. To check for any paper jam for this printer, you need to bring up the rear paper tray. You need to bring it up. Then go at the back here. Then press the holder together. There is a spring here. You need to press them together for you to check for any paper jam and debris. And once you're done, you press the spring and put it back. This is the scanner, flat bed scanner. This is LCD screen. So you have various sizes of paper casket that you can load various sizes of paper. So if you want to open this printer, put your hand by the side to lift. And also the maintenance box is in front of the printer once you open it up. This is the ink tank. Once you lift the printer up, if you lift the printer up, then you open up this cover for you to fill the ink tank. This is the paper casket. So the paper casket, you can bring it out and load the paper A4, then adjust it accordingly. So the bottom one, you can load A5, 5x7. So you can load A4 paper, you can load various sizes of paper here. Then adjust it accordingly. And also if you want to print with USB, this is where you put USB drive, and also SD card goes in here for you to print with SD and USB port. But you need to open up the printer for you to be able to access this. This printer is nice, decent. And this is the rear paper tray. So you load A3 Plus, the rear paper tray. So this is the power cable. USB cable is not included in the packaging if you want to connect this printer using hardwired. So take the power cable, connect it to the power cable port, push it inside, then plug the printer, the power. So switch this printer on and off on this button, and you can see So this is the unboxing and overview of this printer, ET-8550. This printer deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.